everybody. Hello. I'm Eva.
Didn't even go off the screen.
I'm Isaac.
And together we are the
Crap Kids. I don't know what I'm doing this time.
Oh!
I thought you were gonna catch me.
I did. You're fine. Can you guess what we are making today? Today we are making something very Christmas themed because it's coming up to Christmas and we are not going to edit this for a while probably. So today we are going to be making peppermint bark. This is something that I wanted to make and I was like, oh, this would be so cool. And so my mom got me all the ingredients that we needed that we did not already have. And yeah, what the heck is wrong with you? And so now we are going to be making it. You are so funny. So we have normal peppermint candies. We use candy canes, but I'm pretty sure you can just use candy as well.
It's supposed to.
And we are going to just kind of go through it because it's really quick. It's 12 minutes to make in total. So we're just gonna go through it really quick and measure everything out. The first thing that we're gonna need to do is put the wax paper in this 13 by 9-inch baking pan. And we want the wax paper a little bit up so that you can like take the peppermint bark out when it's ready.
Over the edges.
Yeah. We are gonna need chocolate chips. Where'd they go? Chocolate chips. We're using milk chocolate chips, but you can use milk chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, or dark chocolate chips. Coconut oil, white chocolate candy melts, and peppermint mint extract. Hopefully, peppermint candy, and then peppermint candy, and that's it. Now we are going to add the chocolate chips. So 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. So 1.5 cups.
Let's hope it's enough. Please be enough. Come on, be enough. I really hope it's enough. I think it should be okay.
Okay, that's 1 cup, and Isaac can do the half cup.
Just try not to spill anything.
So 1.5 cups chocolate chips, and yes, today is gonna be super awesome because I love peppermint bark. It's really good. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of this coconut oil. Floki's just in the kitchen like,
ooh,
leave that aside. Hopefully it doesn't like mess with the blurring and stuff. Okay. You can put the teaspoon in. How are you gonna get that out? Just. Okay. So yeah, well, let's quickly put this in. All of it, yes. Scoop it out. Scoop it out. Scoop it. Just, what are you doing? You're gonna break the glass. Okay.
There you go.
Just slide it. Slide, yeah, like that. Okay. So, okay, chill. So, we're gonna put this in the microwave for a minute. It's like literally the simplest peppermint bark recipe ever. We're gonna put it in here for a minute. Bye-bye. Has to be a microwavable glass bowl or microwavable bowl. I know it's not a bowl, but whatever.
No, I keep breaking it.
Quick. Okay, we're gonna stir it. It might not look melted, but sometimes when you stir it, that's when it actually does start to melt. But it doesn't look like this is fully melted anyways. Yeah, no.
My candy cane is not okay.
We need another spoon, Isaac, mayday.
I think it is okay. When your hands are slippery.
Ugh! Everything is slippery because you have your dirty, ow, that's hot. Okay.
Your dirty hour hot.
So we're gonna put this back in the microwave for 30 seconds because it's not melted. Uh-oh. Stop what you're doing, everybody.
This is in the middle of the video.
Okay. Ooh! Okay, it's done. Ow. Might be a little hot, so
No, didn't break anything.
Shh. No! Okay, technical difficulties, 1 minute. Yes. Okay, so my Nana and Dad are here now. Don't mind them, they might be kind of loud. So we just got the stuff out of the microwave. Look at how good this looks, by the way. Wow. So chocolate's out and it's fully melted. So we're done with that. Okay, we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract in here now. Do you have the teaspoon, Isaac? Yeah. Okay. Oh no, it's not open. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Fine. If we can get the stupid peppermint.
Oh my god. There's another layer. Seriously.
We're doing 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract, yes. One. Okay, don't do it over it because then you're gonna get extra in it. We don't want extra. That's good. Bro, what did I just say?
You didn't get enough from last one, so.
Okay, so we're mixing the mint extract. It
really minty.
Looks great. So now we have this. Straighten that out. Okay, we're gonna pour it in.
I don't think you could see this.
Yeah, but we're putting it all in now, so I don't know how this is gonna fill this, but you know, we'll see. It has to be way thinner, that's why. Yeah, this is a really thick pan, so.
Well, this is the exact size they called for.
Okay. Now, we're gonna spread this around. Oh, this looks so good. Look at this. Okay, quickly. Okay, so now we are gonna put this in the freezer for like 3 minutes or until it cools, whatever comes first. So here we go.
Didn't drop anything.
We're fine. We're back, and we're gonna continue unwrapping these because we're gonna need it for the next one, which is the white chocolate. But we're just doing some, putting them in a bag, and then we're going to crush them up and see if it's enough. Because there's no plastic underneath. So. Okay. So now we're gonna crush these up until 540, and then we'll take out those and see if they're done. We're gonna smash it with a meat tenderizer or whatever it's called. I think that's what it's called.
Meat smasher.
Yeah. So we're gonna use this. I don't really care. I don't use this side because it breaks the bag. We're using a cutting board, so we don't smash the counter.
That's good.
That looks so good. Oh my gosh, I put holes in it. Maybe we should get another bag.
Always happens.
Okay, so let's see if this is a half cup.
I think it should. Oh yeah, I think that looks.
And it's time to take the others out to see if it's, oh yeah, easily.
Yeah.
It's good enough, right? That's good enough. This is good enough, Dana?
Looks perfect.
Yeah.
Throw
So,
that on top.
yeah, it's peppermint bark. It's not perfect, but
You don't put it in there when it's still wet, so it sticks in there?
it's still a little melty. No, we have to freeze it first, and then we put the second layer on, and then we put the peppermint bark on at the same time. It's still a little melty, but I think it's frozen enough that we
Repeat the
can
same
continue.
process with the white chocolate. Oh.
Yeah. So we have to.
But not. Do you add the coconut oil too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because there's 2 teaspoons coconut oil. One of them is for this one, and then one of them is for the white chocolate.
We
So
put 2 teaspoons in that one. Yes, we did. We each put one.
that was peppermint extract, not coconut oil. So we're gonna put these aside, and we're going to bring the white chocolate and the coconut oil. So we're gonna open one. Yeah, we only need this one. Okay.
No, I think we. Okay,
So how much is it? 1.5 cups of this as well. Okay, I'm gonna get another bowl.
just get a normal bowl. Well, that. Yeah.
And a half. 1.5 cups into this bowl. And then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Almost broke my nail.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have to melt it for a minute. So go ahead and put that in there.
Keep it in the freezer. It says.
Oh,
repeat
whoopsies.
steps and then
Well,
remove.
it said 3 minutes, and so I just.
So that's just gonna.
Okay,
melt.
we're just gonna put this back in the freezer so that it stays cold. Now we're gonna get rid of this because we don't need it anymore. And this, which only has, hey, anybody want some white chocolate?
I'll have some.
Of course. Okay. So doesn't look fully melted, although these melts usually are better than just chips, so, but we'll see. Yeah, it looks pretty much all melted. I think this is good. You can put it in for like 15 more seconds. Okay, and you need to go get the thing out of the freezer. 2 teaspoons peppermint extract. Why do I keep saying extract? Extract to this one as well. So,
I put one in?
2 teaspoons, yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay, like a hole.
Ooh, what the heck are you getting home? So, now we are finally done with this. Don't stir it too fast. It goes out a lot. Go ahead and stir it.
Ugh, it's weird.
I know.
Okay.
Okay, so we're stirring and ow. Seriously, this is so hot. Why? Well, anyway.
Okay. Does it say pour yet?
Yep. Okay. So it's very creamy though.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Can you turn that back on quickly before it turns off?
It said if it's not perfectly melted, do another 30 seconds. So we have 15 seconds.
That's the only thing. Oh, see? Okay. So now we're gonna sprinkle the ½ cup of these on top. So sprinkle them, yeah, like that probably. Make sure they're all over. Okay. So, yep. So you see this? We want them all around, all the sides and everything. Put them in there. I want to make sure they stick. Oops. Okay, and then dump the rest. Oh, not there. What? Oh, dude, really? Okay, so
put it back in.
now Isaac's gonna go put them back in the freezer. And we're going to wait like 3 minutes until they are hardened, and then we're gonna take it out. Well, maybe we'll wait a little bit more than 3 minutes so that it's more firm. But then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna break it, and there you go. That's your peppermint bark. It's like really simple, and it would take a lot shorter if you know, we weren't so bad at this. But it should take 12 minutes usually. So we're gonna clean this up, and then we will take that out soon. So we have finally got it out of the freezer, and oh, it is hard and it looks so great.
Now.
A lot of the peppermint didn't stick, but what we're gonna do now is just we're gonna pick it up. Oh, that's so cool. Just comes right out, and break it. Well, first let's get all the excess peppermint. That was a lot of peppermint that did not stick, but it's fine. Everything is fine. Okay, and now we're gonna take it out, put it over this bowl here. I mean, like, look at this. This looks great. This is so cool. And I love this. Okay, pull it out, pull it out. And okay, we gotta break it.
Break it.
Oh, it's not breaking very well. See, this is what I was worried about. Okay, there. Take it out. Thank you. Wow. Break it.
It didn't break.
That's what I'm saying. This is what I was worried about, actually.
No, you were worried about melting.
It is melting. Okay.
Now we gotta try it.
Now we gotta break it more. This is not how big they usually break. Okay.
We gotta try it though.
We will.
So we're ready to try it too.
Good. Yeah, I'm gonna get a tiny piece. Ow, I'm gonna get cut by these micro things. Okay, so this is it's very melty. We probably need to put it back in the freezer. But let's try it. Mmm. Very minty taste. It has a little peppermint on it.
Which tastes kind of like Andy's mints.
Success. But we definitely need to put it back in the freezer. As you can tell, it's like melting.
Well, only when we touch it. Find the bowl.
Yeah, it's not supposed to melt when you touch it. You can tell us how it is. No, they're kind of.
You can break it more if you want.
Nana, you gotta come try one now.
Okay.
I like it. It's like it really tastes like Andy's mints. To me, we did use mint extract.
Good? She likes it. She said yeah. Yay! Anyways,
Almost.
that is it for this video. So, we'll see you when we find a new creative recipe to make. Peace. Bye.